In today's video, I'm talking about chicken tractors. So chicken tractors for the homestead are mobile chicken coops like this. They're ideal for homesteaders and they're ideal for backyard poultry keepers. They're usually lightweight, made out of lumber that one or more people can just pull to new locations. And part of the idea is that by moving them, we're helping to regenerate the soil because the chickens get out and they roam and they forage. So we have all the pasture grass and things that they're on, so they're eating less store-bought feed by consuming feed and grass seeds and all the other things in the grass, the insects that they love. So it's part of regenerative agriculture, and it's a great permaculture tactic. But generally we want to move these every couple of days, and that gives them fresh grass, helps fertilize the grass, just a very good regenerative model. So chicken tractors are also a good way to not have to build a permanent chicken coop, which has to be cleaned out and modified and maintained in a different way. So there's nothing wrong with permanent chicken coops. This has a different concept or a different idea. Number one, by grazing. They're out, they're on forage, they're on grass, so they're consuming a lot less feed using the grass seeds, bugs, insects, all those kind of things. You may be able to see here on the ground we've got some squash that we dumped out here for them, so they're consuming some of those kind of compostable materials as well. But a chicken coop also is like a little fortress. So inside, you can see our birds in here. It's been raining a lot today, so they're roosting, but they have roosts in the back, and it's just a portable shelter. So on this particular one, we have some tarps on the top that help keep them dry and out of the weather, but easy to move. You can move this with an ATV. This particular one, we have a rope we pull out here. We can move it with our tractor. So it is portable and easy to move. So we also keep them protected from the predators in here. So on the lower sections and some of these open places like this has hardware cloth on it, which is really tough to get into. It's got hardware cloth around the base, and then it's covered with chicken wire. But what's holding the chicken wire up are cattle panels that are built over this frame. This particular one, there are 3 cattle panels here, and everything else is attached to that, all the wire and things. So we also want a door, an easy way to get us in and out, so that we're not bent and stooping over trying to get in and out of the coop. So in this particular model, I've got a couple YouTube videos on how we build these, but one of the other things that we have on this one is a automatic chicken door. So this door, you can set it to automatically open and close to let them out at different times of the day. So ideally, you would want to build the base frame. We've made this base frame out of just lumber we have laying around the homestead. So it's got a wooden base frame. I use 2x4s because that's what I had, but typically you want to make these as lightweight as possible. Mr. Rooster wants to chime in. So we want to make these out of lightweight material so that they can be pulled by hand. There's hundreds of different models and different ways that people make these. You can find those videos online, and we have a couple on how to make this particular one. But inside, let me show you inside here a little bit more. See our chickens, they're out enjoying the day and foraging here. But we always have a source of clean water. And this one is about ready to be moved. So they have pretty much worn out the ground underneath this spot for this coop. But we have feed pans. I'm sorry, it's been raining, so they've got some slop in them and some water. But they also need, if you have laying hens, they need a place to lay. So the best nest box is one of the best ways that we found to give them a place to lay their eggs. And that's a really cool box. So you can check out our other video and our review of the best nest box. But you can also see in the back, they've got the roosts up there. You can see by the tarps and canopy, they're protected from the weather. So these guys are this is our chicken fortress. And so far, other than 1 or 2 times we've had someone dig under it, very, very secure keeping the birds in there. So we've got another one right over here. We did a video on that one getting a new roof the other day, so you can check out that video. But the idea with the chicken tractor is just making it portable so you can take advantage of the benefits of moving these guys around. So we just keep our laying hens in this particular one right here with one rooster. Roosters are good to have. Usually you just want one, otherwise they fight. But a rooster is good protection. They will signal the hens. They're always watching. If they see hawks or other predators, they will signal the birds. When he makes a special term or cluck that they understand, man, they go flying into this chicken tractor for protection. A good rooster like this guy right here, he'll also tell them when food is available, where the best food is, by making calls and sounds and scratching. But overall, making this out of lightweight material, things that you can move either by hand or an ATV or a tractor, makes this a great permaculture, a great use for permaculture and regenerative soil. So as you can see, the pasture grass all around us. We've had our chickens all over these fields and they are just doing tremendous. So they're leaving their fertilizer behind. We're getting eggs. You saw in the other coop, those are dual purpose American breasts. So they're dual purpose. We get meat and eggs from them. So just keep them in these chicken tractors is a great way to raise your birds for your homestead or backyard poultry flock. So hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll subscribe to our channel and hit that like button on your way out, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.